Congratulations on your new IdeaTech fiber internet. I'm James with IdeaTech, and one of the most common questions we get is, when will my line be buried?
During installation, your fiber cable was laid in your yard from the pedestal to your home. Don't worry, it won't be there very long.
For burial, we schedule utility locates so our crews know where your electrical, gas, and other underground lines are.
The fiber is then buried using a vibratory plow, which is minimally invasive. Some areas may require hand-dug trenches or wedging to make sure that the fiber is secure.
Line burials are completed within 2 to 4 weeks of installation, depending on the weather.
Frozen or muddy ground can slow things down, as we want to keep your yard in great shape and minimize disruption. The burial is quick, and once it's done, the bury is hardly noticeable, especially after it rains when the soil settles back into place.
If you need to mow while the line is still above ground, you can lift or move it, but be careful not to pull, twist, or cut it. We make every effort to bury your line as quickly as possible.
We understand that having a line above ground can be inconvenient, and we appreciate your patience. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Thank you for choosing IdeaTech. We're proud to bring you internet freedom.